Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 official renders are out. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all are doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 gets an official display leak and we even get the official release date of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. And yes, the previous leaks were right about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Samsung is going to launch Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 in August along with the Z Flip 4, Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds. Now from Samsung Inside Staff confirmed the release date, where Anthony shared this news that the after sales staff confirmed the release date and that is going to be on 10th of August. And as expected, the pre-orders date will be on 16th of August and Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 going to hit the market on 24th of August this year. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below. Do you guys like the official renders of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4? And are you guys excited about the new display on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4? Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 gets an official render of its outer display, which confirms the outer display and is that new hinge is coming. Anthony shared an image on his Twitter account sharing Z Fold 4 leaked image, stating that this is the Z Fold 4 and that hinge is quite different than the Z Fold 3 and Z Fold 2. And this news confirmed all the previous leaks and rumors about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 hinge. A good news for the ones who want to buy the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. The prices on the Z Fold 4 will not increase, which is a good news, but don't expect a price drop. Instead, Samsung is planning to create a less storage model and that will be cheaper than the other models. As per leaks, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will come with 128 gigs of storage, which eventually going to start at $1699 at least. But for now, it is not confirmed and 1TB version is only limited to certain markets. After the FCC certification of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4, NBTC 2 days ago approved the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and now Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 make its way to launch in Thailand. The model number SMF936B/DS feature online, but they didn't reveal the specs of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, neither Z Flip 4. But you can expect a Snapdragon Engine 1 Plus along with 12 gigs of RAM and possibly 3 storage options. Will come with the same 4400 mAh battery and 25 watt fast charger. But with Qualcomm new processor that can bring 30% more power efficiency will help Z Fold 4 last longer than the Z Fold 3. The cameras on the Z Fold 4 is also confirmed and you can expect an overall complete phone, where the main lens is 50 megapixel, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom, best so far, 10 megapixel selfie camera and 4 megapixel under display camera. The design on the Z Fold 4 will be the same, but you can expect a new hinge design on the Z Fold 4 which will bring Z Fold 4 display a bit wider at 23:9 instead of 24:5:9 on the Z Fold 3. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below. Do you guys like the official renders of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and are you guys excited about the new display on Z Fold 4? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.